welcome to our School at Home class in English Grade 7. We are in the third quarter of our set of lessons, and I hope everybody will delight in learning today with lesson number 15B. Determining text types through distinguishing features. After going through this video lesson, you are expected to define what text type is. Identify the different kinds of paragraph. Determine the distinguishing features of these kinds of paragraph. Match the definitions in column A to the terminologies in column B. You may answer this on a separate sheet of paper. As a reminder, you may pause this video if you need more time to answer and play again if you're done. Here are the answers for the pre-test. In the previous discussion, you have learned that a paragraph refers to a collection of sentences which all relate to one main idea or topic. Moreover, you have learned the basic features of a paragraph that can guide you in writing an effective paragraph. Today, let us talk about the different kinds of paragraph that determine the author's purpose in writing. Text types is simply a matter of determining the writer's purpose in writing. Does the writer want to tell about personal experience, describe something, explain an issue, or convince the reader to accept a certain viewpoint? By simply knowing the text type or kind of paragraph, it can help you to easier select or look for the general idea of the paragraph. Now, let us discover what are the four common types of paragraph. There are four main types of writing: narrative, descriptive, persuasive, and expository. In a narrative paragraph, the writer tells a story about a real-life experience. When writing a narrative paragraph, you should try to involve the reader by making a story as vivid as possible. This means that a sequence of action or a clear beginning, middle, and end to the paragraph must be followed. Let's look at this example. This paragraph is considered narrative because it tells the author's personal and real-life experience about kindness towards other people. In this paragraph, the author also shares what he feels when he helps someone and vice versa. That makes the story in the paragraph appears vivid. A descriptive paragraph paints a picture with words. A writer might describe a person, place, object, or even a memory of a special significance. The words chosen in the description often appeal to the five senses of touch, smell, sight, hearing, and taste. For instance, this paragraph. Here, the writer describes kind-hearted persons by enumerating some of their qualities. The goal of a persuasive paragraph is to convince the reader to accept the writer's point of view or recommendation. The writer must build a case using facts and logic, as well as examples, expert opinion, and sound reasoning. This type of paragraph is useful when establishing an argument. Notice the statement on the latter part of the paragraph. Here, the writer is convincing the readers that kindness is the best thing you could give or offer to other people. Might as well, the author elaborates the good and the bad consequences of being kind and unkind towards others that can help readers to weigh the ideas the author presented. Therefore, this paragraph can be considered as an example of a persuasive paragraph. The expository paragraph is an informative piece of writing that presents a balanced analysis of a topic. In an expository paragraph, the writer explains or defines a topic using facts, statistics, in examples. This type of paragraph can be seen in business reports, journalistic writing, academic and scientific communication, and the like. Example of expository paragraph is this. Here, the writer uses a precise language and clear organization of thoughts to explain a concept. Now let's see what you have learned. Identify what text type is used in the following. Write N for narrative, D for descriptive, P for persuasive, and E for expository. If your guess is persuasive, then you are correct. The paragraph is convincing the readers to accept his point of view, which is change is possible only through kindness. Your answer is correct. This paragraph is a narrative paragraph because the writer tells a personal experience about a simple act of kindness. You're right! This paragraph is an expository paragraph because the writer tells a factual information about kindness. Identify what is being asked in the following items. Choose the letter of the best answer. You may pause this part of the video if you need more time to answer, and play it again if you're done. Identify kind of a paragraph or text type is used in the following. Write N for narrative, D for descriptive, P for persuasive, and E for expository. On a one-whole sheet of paper, write a paragraph composed of 10 to 15 sentences about your chosen topic, or you may choose from the suggested topics below. Suggested topics: kindness, the source of strength of every individual. Why respect is important. Random act of kindness, a way to change the world. Your paragraph can be a narrative, descriptive, persuasive, and expository paragraph based on your purpose as a writer. Here are the answers. To wrap everything up that we have talked about in this lesson, let us try to guess the word that is being depicted by the group of pictures in each item. You are right! The answer here is expository. When we say expository paragraph, it tells of factual information based on research and thorough analysis. Amazing! The answer here is descriptive. Remember, descriptive paragraph paints a picture of a place, person, and event by giving vivid descriptions. You are fantastic! The pictures depict persuasive. The goal of a persuasive paragraph is to convince the readers to accept the point of view of the author on a certain topic. You are correct! This one is narrative. Narrative paragraph tells a real-life experience of the author by making the story as vivid as possible. If your answer here is paragraph, then you are correct. Always remember that a paragraph refers to a group of sentences which all relate to one main topic. Respect and kindness are both important character traits that an individual must possess, because they help keep the humaneness or goodness in every individual. In return, this makes the society harmonious. Now, let us expand our idea of kindness and respect by answering this activity. Here are the answers. Always remember that there are a lot of ways to be kind and respectful. Being kind and respectful will make you feel good about yourself. So, kindness and respect must begin now. It must start with you. Identify if the statement is true or false. One, considering the kind of paragraph is important because it makes easier to select the main idea of the paragraph. 2. In an expository paragraph, the writer tries to convince the readers to accept his point of view. 3. The paragraph below is an example of a descriptive paragraph. 4. This paragraph contains descriptions. 5. An expository paragraph is usually seen in business reports, journalistic writing, and scientific communication. Here are the answers for the post-test. I hope that you have learned a lot today about text types and its distinguishing features. Goodbye and see you in the next lesson!